Hey, what's up guys, it's Jason here and we're back with another unboxing video. But before we do that, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button and make sure to also comment down below. Just get that out of the way right now so I don't have to say it later on in the end and forget about it. And also I wanted to make an update about the last unboxing video that I did. I ended off on a really sort of bad note because I realized that I cut into the package a little too deep and ended up damaging some of the content. But that's okay guys, because what I'm wearing right now is the German Tropentone field shirt that I was opening the last video whenever that ends up being uploaded, and then I'm gonna edit out a whole bunch of stuff. You'll get the edited footage, not the raw version, because it just didn't go as planned. But anyways, regarding that, I did do a hot fix. I was scrambling around the house trying to find some super glue, but my dad decided that he was gonna make it hard on me because I could not find, for the life of me, any super glue in the house. My bad. Yeah, I couldn't find any super glue in the house, so I had to run over to Home Depot, which was like a 15-minute drive because I live all the way up in the hills now, and I had to go buy me some, which waste of money, but what are you gonna do? Anyways, so there was a rip here. That's where I cut on accident, but you can see it's kind of roughly patched up now. I ended up using super glue and I had to leave it out overnight for it to dry, but it doesn't look that bad. And then there was another side. I don't know if you can see it. It's like somewhere around here, but I also super glued some parts of that as well, so it doesn't look as bad or torn up. But yeah, so we're all good now. I just gotta make sure that this time we're gonna change up the cutting habits, you know, when it comes to opening packages, and we're gonna make sure that like if the packages, like if the contents in the packages are near the top, we're gonna, I don't know, we'll figure it out. But anyways, today I got a new package. I have no idea what it is, so it just came in this morning, didn't know anything about it, so we're gonna find it out. I think it's from Americana Pipe Dream again, because you know I ordered a lot on there. But yeah, big package, and this time there's a bit of a flap here, and let me just fill the top first. Yeah, so last time, me being an idiot, I cut way too deep right around here and I ended up cutting the thing. So one of two things we could try. We could try cutting along the flap and then just ripping it up, or cutting a little bit and then just ripping it up. You know what I mean? So we're gonna get into that right now. So I just need to find the best course of action to open this package, because I don't want a repeat of what happened the last time. So I think we're just gonna cut along the edge a little bit, and then I think we're just gonna rip it open. I think that's a better choice, because last time it didn't go as planned and I ended up damaging the thing. Okay, so there's a bit of a rip here, which is good. See, there's a rip, and then we could just there's a bit of a, I cut a little bit here, and then what we're gonna do is we're just gonna rip it open, because I feel like that's just better for us. Oh, never mind. I don't even think it's whatchamacallit, Americana Pipe Dream stuff related. I think I ordered, this is what is it called? If you guys are like big YouTube fans or just been using YouTube for a long time, there's this account on there. There's this YouTube channel called it used to be called Chilled Cow. They did this playlist where it's just a continuous stream of just lo-fi music. I don't know, you can leave it on the background while you sleep, or mostly people put it on to, like, you know, do homework and stuff like that. But now it's called Lo-Fi Girl, and they just recently opened up online store. There we go. Yeah, so they have an online store now. You can go there and buy some merch. They have a lot of cool stuff. I ended up buying only one thing because a lot of their stuff is pretty expensive, assuming it's because it's very high quality. So we're just gonna pull that out right now. I ordered I think it was a sweater on there. I almost forgot what I ordered too. Like, I didn't think it was gonna come in until like Christmas, but I guess it came in early today, so I'm in luck. So if we pull it out, yeah, so here it is. Here's the sweater. It has the logo on here, so, and it came in a little bag too, which is neat. I think I'm gonna save this and then just have my mom do something with it. Oops, I kind of damaged it a little bit. That's okay. See, this is why I said when I meant that, like, I have to be very extra careful now when I open my packages, because I don't know exactly what's at the top. Thank goodness this is only just a packaging sort of package, but I don't know. I think I'll keep it. So yeah, it's like a little Ziploc thing where you can just open it and then you can reseal it again. Unfortunately, you can't put any liquids in here. So mom, if you're watching this, there's a rip in here. So yeah, so here is the sweatshirt. I ordered it in large. Yeah, look at that. That's pretty cool. It has the logo on here. And then I ordered it in pink. Your boy loves some pink. And I think that's the package for today. That's literally it. This is all I have to show you for you guys. And then yeah, just a little update on the field shirt. I had to super glue it together and do a little hot fix, because apparently I don't know how to open packages anymore. There really isn't anything else to say, so yeah, I think this is gonna be a quick video. So Lofi t-shirt, no, not t-shirt, sweater thingamajig, I forgot what it's called, but it's a sort of like a light sweater that you can throw on whenever. But yeah, that's pretty much it in terms of packages. I thought it was gonna be my jeans, but I think that comes in tomorrow. This is the video, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. I know I said this in the beginning already, and I said I wasn't gonna say it again, but I'm gonna emphasize it again just because. Leave a comment down below what your thoughts are on the thing that I got. It's Lofi merch. You can find it on the website. I think it's called lofigirlshop.com. So it's very specific, very hard to miss. You can go on their Instagram and they have the link set up for you to go and browse some stuff. And since it's almost Christmas, you can buy some stuff for your family, your loved ones. God forbid you buy something for your ex too. And you can also buy something for yourself, which is what I did here. And you know, it's very nice. Oh, that's my phone. Who's on Twitch today? Oh, so I'm gonna end it here because I'm gonna watch Mia Hasanabi stream because I need to get my daily dose of leftist Turkish content, and I'm also on work time right now. So I'm gonna end it here. Have a lovely morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you are. Over here it is 5:53 p.m. It is November 30th, 2021, and it's the last day of November. And my birthday's in 2 days, so if you guys get a chance, comment happy birthday. I probably won't care if you don't, you know, no big deal. Anyways, yeah, I've been going on way longer than I should have. So yeah, I'm just gonna end the video. See ya!
You got what eyes can't see, and this time it's on me. I won't lie.